Bonjour mes étudiants 8th standard. I welcome you all to this new session. So we are in the revision part of second midterm. So today I am going to show you the answer key for this second midterm test. So as we all know, the portion is from lesson 5 and lesson 6. So this is the answer key which I have prepared for you for your revision. So I'll just tell you how to do this. So when you receive the answer key, a small note will be like this. Exercise numbers on the page of the new book and the old book may vary. So kindly check the content of the exercise to find out the right answers. So some of you might be having the old book and some might be having the new book. So whatever exercise is taught alone will come. And this answer key will cover most of it. And when you go one by one, you can understand. For example, we'll start with lesson 5. From lesson 5, this is the answers for the French passage exercises. There will be a French passage in lesson 5. I will show you that. So for this passage, faire les courses, below that there is an exercise. For these exercises, I am going to show you the answers now. So here we go, the first exercise. Le samedi, je ne vais pas à l'école. So the answers will be given here. The board le samedi, you see, straight away you can see the answers as it is in the sentence. The answers will be given. Je vais au marché acheter des fruits. So where do we go to buy the fruits? So marché. So that is the answer. À la boulangerie, on achète du mouton. Sorry, à la boucherie. Boucherie is the butcher shop where we buy meat. So likewise, you can see the answers for true or false and the question answers. So this will be for the French passage. Now I'll show you the exercise. So far we have seen till this. Okay, now I'm going to take you to trouver la question. So your today's online test will be from this exercise because this is the revision. Anyway, we will see conjugation and translation in the live class as a revision. So exercise is the only thing which is pending. So in case if there is one more day for revision, we will do something else. So we will start from lesson 5. So this exercise I will ask for online test. So kindly prepare this exercise. The questions will be like this. Nous allons à Paris, and below that I will give 3 options. Among the options you have to find the right option, but in exam you have to write the answer. So this is one of the important exercise, so this must be revised. So kindly prepare this for your online test today. So now we are going to show the answer for this exercise. See, this is the exercise number 1. Questions are here, and below that the answers will be given. So first question is Nous allons à Paris. Here is the question. Nous allons à Paris. And for that the answer is Où allez-vous? The second question is C'est mon frère. And the answer is Qui est ce? The third question is Elle va à la gare. So it is a destination. Où va-t-elle? So likewise for all the 12 questions you will have the answer here. Now going to the second exercise, complétez avec savoir ou connaître. So I have straight away given answers as you can see in a sentence. Je sais quand il arrive. Monique et toi connaissez-vous cette belle ville? Nicole sait jouer au tennis. Connais-tu la serveuse là-bas? Est-ce que vous savez combien de café je bois par jour? So this is the answers for exercise number 2. And exercise number 3, question, vous aimez ça? So for this, I said no need to do this. I will not ask this. Anyway, I have given you because it is just a revision to write in your classwork. So you can cancel this exercise. Okay. So exercise number 3, no need to revise on it. And exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 also the same. So this question will not be asked for the exam, but it is given for the purpose of the classwork. So the main reason to give this answer key is to write your classwork and complete it on time, because anyway you are going to come to school in 1 or 2 weeks. You must show me the classwork and get it signed. So that is the case you have to do. So 3 and 4 you can omit. And exercise number 5, yeah, this one is there. Mettez le dialogue dans le bon ordre. If you see, the questions will be on the top and the answers will be on the bottom. Vous vous appelez comment? Shahrukh. Quel est votre nom? Khan. Votre date de naissance. So all these exercises we have already finished. So here's the question for question number 6. Choisez l'intrus. So these questions I have given you as a homework, and I said I'll give the answers for you when I give you the answer key, and that's why it is given now. So le poulet, la pomme, le veau, le bœuf. Out of these, la pomme is the only fruit. Other things are meat. So likewise, it is the same for all other 5. Next exercise is compléter. À la boucherie, on achète de la viande. So these exercises also I was doing when I was in live class. So the answers are here. You can just copy it, or you can just check if the written answers is right or wrong. Check the spelling, check the answer. Okay, so this is for exercise number 7. And exercise number 8, one of the important exercise for conjugation. You have 20 marks for this second midterm. So this 5 is very important. So let's revise this for a minute and then we'll go for lesson 6. Savoir, connaître, se lever, choisir, vendre. If you see this, savoir, they are asking to write in negative. So you have to write savoir in negative. So I'll just revise this. Je ne sais pas, tu ne sais pas, il, elle ne sait pas, nous ne savons pas, vous ne savez pas, il, elle ne savent pas. Okay, so this connaissez, connaissons, it has come from year to year, so don't confuse with this. So question number 2 is connaître verb à la forme de interrogative, interrogation. So est-ce que je connais, est-ce que tu connais, est-ce qu'il, elle connaît, est-ce que nous connaissons, est-ce que vous connaissez, est-ce qu'il, elle connaît. And se lever is the reflexive verb, you all know. Straight away, in affirmative form, that is from present tense, you have to write je me lève, tu te lèves, il, elle se lève, nous, nous levons, vous, vous levez, il, elle se lève. And next is choisir verb in negative. Je ne choisis pas, tu ne choisis pas, il, elle ne choisit pas, nous ne choisissons pas, vous ne choisissez pas, il, elle ne choisit pas. So this pas is written here. And last verb is vendre. This verb, je vends, tu vends, il, elle vend, nous vendons, vous vendez, ils vont, elles vont. So this could be written in 2 ways. This is est-ce que je vends, and while I was teaching on the board I was writing like want you, want-il, want-elle, inversion method. You can follow that also. So with this we are completing lesson 5, and exercise number 9 from this lesson is omitted. So you can cancel this exercise number 9, 10, and exercise number 11 also I will not be asking. So that's it, we are done with lesson 5. Now going to lesson 6. So now we are in lesson 6, Misse, loving, cherche, and monto. From this lesson, the first thing you will find in the answer key is this same. What? The French passage exercises. These exercises I will not be asking for the exam, but I have given for the classwork purpose. But when we write half yearly, these exercises will be considered for choose or true or false. So kindly, you must know it. Okay. So I will show you the answers now. So going to lesson 6. So here is lesson 6 answer. So it will be in your answer key, it will be mentioned as lesson 6 The page number will be regarding the old book, but you can go with the exercise. So the first exercise is this true or false, and second exercise is compléter avec un mot des mots du texte. So the answers are here, and the first question from this lesson is contraire. So you all know we have been teaching this preposition from this lesson, compléter avec le contraire des prépositions données. So here's the contraire. So dans l'avion mon père n'assit pas à gauche. So à gauche opposite is à droite. So likewise sans avec, sous, sur, loin de, près de, au-dessus, au-dessous. So likewise you can. And second exercise, this will not be asked for the exam. Exercise number 2 and 3, it is like image based exercise. So you can take this answers for your classwork purpose. Exercise number 2 and 3. Now coming to exercise number 4, this is also one important exercise. This might be asked. So prepare this pour, pendant, sans, avec, depuis. Okay. And so last lesson we had a conjugation exercise separately. For this lesson I guess there is no conjugation exercise separately. So from this lesson, this is the only conjugation exercise you might be learning. So I said I will be showing the answers for this exercise. Here is the answer. So this exercise I will give you some special time on this. Elle essuie des pommes, nous essuyons des poires. So essuie is like wiping the wiping means cleaning. That is sometimes when we buy some fruits we will wipe it and we will keep it. No, that is. So nettoie. Il nettoie le salon et nous nettoyons la chambre. So nettoyer, this already we have taught. I am just revising the answers alone. Okay. Tu envoies une lettre. Nous aussi nous envoyons une lettre. Fourth one. Jettes-tu les journaux? Oui, je jette les journaux. Est-ce que vous payez pour les chocolats? Oui, nous payons pour les chocolats. Vous vous appelez comment? Ils appellent les Vincent. Vous balayez la maison tous les jours? Elle balaye sa maison une fois par semaine. Nous voyagions aux États-Unis et il voyage en France. Elle range les tables et vous rangez les bancs. Nous achetons des bonbons pour les enfants et ils achètent un gâteau. So this exercise answers, kindly take it down for exercise number 5 from this lesson 6. And exercise number 6, this is general questions. So already we have discussed this, or even though we have discussed, I have given the answers. I will read it once for you. So quel vêtement portez-vous en hiver? So during winter time what you wear? Je porte une veste, un pull, des gants. So for the hands you will put some gloves, that is gants. So pull is like a sweater and vest is like an overcoat. So these are the things. En été je porte une jupe, une culotte et un chemisier. So these are the dresses that they wear during the summertime. L'euro est la monnaie unique européenne. Okay. Je porte une chemise, un pantalon et une cravate pour aller à l'école. So chemise, pantalon et une cravate. Cravate. So while you put school dress, shirt, pant and tie. That is what given here. Oui, j'ai fait du lèche-vitrine. That means I do window shopping. So this exercise you can omit from exercise lesson 6. Okay. So question number 7 is omitted. And question number 8 is also omitted. I will not ask this for the exam. And question number 9 is omitted. And question number 10 you can take it up. This can be included. Mettez le dialogue dans le bon ordre. We have solved these things. And we have reached the end of this lesson. So this answer key is the only thing which we saw today. And for your online test today, you will get this lesson 5 exercise number 1. Okay, lesson 5 exercise number 1 I have given on the online test as a revision. Okay, so now your thing is, if you want to take some answers until you get the answer key in your WhatsApp group, you can do this way. You can just see this, scroll it, scroll the video, and you can just write down whatever answers we want, because I have scrolled one by one slowly, so you can find it easier. So you can finish your classwork and get ready, and you will receive the answer key very shortly, and prepare for the exam. Okay, so as I said, lesson 5, exercise number 1, this exercise, trouver la question, this will be for your online test today. So that will be your homework also. Okay, so revise the exercises. Conjugation and translation we will see in the live class. Exercise alone you revise one by one. So divide into 2 part. Lesson 5 first you finish for 3 days, and lesson 6 for 3 days. So by then you will get your Diwali holidays, so at that time you could be free and you can enjoy it. So that's it guys. Today we have finished the revision for your answer key, that is for lesson 5 and lesson 6. So no exercise will be sorry, the exercise which is here, which I have omitted, I have told you, and other exercise will be asked for the exam. So from lesson 5 and lesson 6 you will get the questions for the second midterm. So merci mes étudiants, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui, bonne journée.